Carbide burrs are precision rotary cutting tools made from tough tungsten carbide, designed for use in die grinders. Their robust construction makes them ideal for shaping, deburring, and material removal across various surfaces, including metal, wood, and automotive components. With a wide selection of shapes and sizes, these tools are indispensable for both professionals and hobbyists who require efficient and accurate results in tasks ranging from intricate detailing to heavy-duty stock removal. Understanding their versatility sets the foundation for choosing the right burr for your project. The selection of Carbide burrs is extensive, with shapes such as cylindrical, ball, oval, tree, and flame, each tailored to specific cutting and grinding needs. For instance, cylindrical burrs are best for working on flat surfaces, while ball-shaped burrs excel at creating concave cuts. The type of cut also matters. Single-cut burrs are suited for softer materials and produce smoother finishes, whereas double-cut burrs remove material more aggressively in harder substrates. Matching the burr's shape and cut type to your material and intended finish ensures optimal results and smooth workflow. To safely set up your die grinder, first disconnect it from its power source. Choose the carbide burr that fits your task and inspect it for any damage. Insert the burr's shank into the collet, ensuring a secure and proper fit. Then tighten the collet nut without over-tightening. Confirm that the burr is stable and free of wobble. Before you start working, put on safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from debris. Reconnect the grinder and test the burr at a low speed to verify smooth rotation, preparing you for precise operation. Once your setup is complete, focus on best practices for efficient and safe operation. Secure your workpiece and maintain a steady grip on the grinder, using controlled movements to achieve clean cuts. Adjust the speed based on the material, higher speeds for softer metals, slower speeds for harder ones, to prevent excessive wear. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including goggles, gloves, and hearing protection. Avoid forcing the burr, as gentle pressure preserves both the tool and your workpiece. Regular inspection and timely replacement of worn burrs help maintain consistent performance. Maintaining your carbide burrs ensures their longevity and reliable performance. After each use, clean them thoroughly to remove debris and residue, which can impact cutting efficiency. Store your burrs in a dry, organized space to prevent damage and corrosion. Periodically check for signs of wear, such as chipped edges or reduced cutting ability. If you experience vibration or poor cutting, inspect for improper mounting or excessive speed, and follow manufacturer guidelines for sharpening if needed. With proper care, your carbide burrs will deliver consistent results over time.